This is the Nutribullet Ultra. It is my favorite blender. I've been using it for over 18 months since I bought it. I use it every single day for my smoothies. My kids use it too. It is super, super powerful. If a little noisy, I don't mind because it works so well. Now, I mostly use it with its standard blending head and one of its standard cups, which you do just twist together and then snap into place. It will only turn on when you snap the cup into place fully, and then little lights will appear here. But that's not what this video is really about, as I have made a lot of videos on this blender. This video is about these two accessories, because people seem to be having trouble with these accessories or questions about them. Now, the first one is the spice grinder. You don't want to use the standard cup and bottom for spice, even though this is Triton plastic and it's not as concerning as other plastics. It is still plastic and spice will damage it over time. Whereas this spice grinder is all metal. It's specifically designed to grind spice. So you have your bottom element and the interior of this is metal as well. Now, the first question I've been getting is, can you separate this? And no, you cannot. It is fully sealed in there. This is meant to be a singular piece, and so is this. You can toss these in your dishwasher. They're gonna last forever, really solid. And possibly over time, it could collect some dust from different spices on the exterior of this, or interior, I guess, between the metal and the plastic, but I wouldn't worry about it. It's going to be an aesthetic issue, nothing more, but that's how that works. And then this is what I get the most questions about. This is your food processor. It works really well and it does just slide right on. It is specific to the Ultra only. I also have the Nutribullet SmartSense, and the rest of the items will connect to the SmartSense. This food processor will only connect to the Ultra, and you may have seen that I twisted a bit because it has a specific point where it twists in. Now, where I'm getting the most questions with it is not how it works or how strong it is or anything like that. It's how to take it apart. A lot of people have a hard time taking this black plastic piece off, so I just want to show you that it does just twist. And when you look in there, you will see that it has just really basic notches where it twists in and out. So if yours is not twisting, then it's just stuck. You just have to push it a little further, and I'll do that one more time for you, and that it locks into place. And if you hold the handle, the black piece is going to spin. And so that's how it comes out. And then the rest of it should be really straightforward. The top twists right off. You have your little press point. And then of course you don't have to have both cutters in at the same time. This is your top cutter, and then this entire piece comes out as well. So if you're having any issues, it really is some really simple plastic notches under here that just notch into this. I know I'm being repetitive here, but it seems to be the biggest issue with this blender is how to take this apart. Just use a little more force your first time. Or maybe you've been washing it in the dishwasher like this and a lot of gunk's collected in there, and maybe that's what's holding it in place. But whether it's because it's brand new or you've just never taken it apart again, I think you're gonna be okay just forcing it a little bit. It is designed to come apart. So I know this is a super simple video. This really is my favorite blender. Now, I have tested other blenders and there are some that are quieter, but I absolutely love the blending power on this. I love the accessories it comes with. I love how sleek it is, and that the accessories mostly work with the SmartSense blender as well, so I can mix and match as I want. Like I said, I've been using this every day for over 18 months. It might even be longer now, and it is truly standing the test of time. It is a fantastic blender, and I hope this video helps clear up any confusion about how to take apart this accessory and how to clean the spice grinder. Hope this helps.